Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook calamari rings perfectly every time. First, ensure your calamari is impeccably clean. Rinse the rings thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any grit or impurities. Then, it's crucial to pat them completely dry using paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear or crispness. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you love, like a pinch of paprika or garlic powder, to build a flavorful foundation. Now, let's explore the most popular cooking methods. For pan frying, heat a skillet with a little oil over medium-high heat and cook the rings for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. If you prefer grilling, use high heat and cook for only 1 to 2 minutes per side. For crispy deep-fried calamari, heat oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry for quick 1 to 2 minutes until light golden brown. Remember, speed is key here. The secret to tender calamari lies in understanding its unique texture. You have 2 main paths to avoid toughness. The first is to cook it very quickly over high heat, as we just discussed. This method ensures it remains delicate and soft. The alternative is to braise it slowly for a longer period, typically 45 to 60 minutes, which breaks down the connective tissues, resulting in an incredibly tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Never cook it for a medium duration, as that's when it becomes rubbery. Once your calamari is perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy. For fried calamari, a classic squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a side of warm marinara sauce are always winners. Grilled calamari shines with a light drizzle of olive oil, fresh herbs, or a zesty vinaigrette. Don't limit yourself to appetizers. Cooked calamari also makes a fantastic addition to pasta dishes, risottos, or vibrant salads, adding a delightful seafood element to your meal. Get creative and savor your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.